Welcome to my YouTube channel. Infinity Rankers na adom butaram noksari. Channel asibu growth to buda mayam gi mateng ijari mayam support to biramu. Channel asibu subscribe to biramu, like nambiramu, comment pibiramu. Mya asoiba aran ba yauragasu mayam na chumthok piu suggestion pibiramu. Mathangi video singta asoiba sing semthok nabagi kudong chaba pibiu haijari. Ngasi ain tawdise kem nateba ngarangi aina interrogative tawidana interrogative tawbodo adugi makha oidoineba khangko interrogative tense adu ngarang present tawgredana adu ngarang nang sije khangok ta target mamangi video yengba yani adu khangani yare ko adu taragadi fare hajik past ta horasi past ki han form past indefinite ko past indefinite harasi past indefinite past indefinite neba past indefinite tense है past indefinite tense ta tawdise ho sidu chamaneba mamangda koina do season gidana do season rakane fasana did haira ne ko did haraga plus subject plus kitore b1 haira ne se past di keno b1 b2 hydro adubu ai sida b1 irese kai kino haibletro si auxiliary verb se ko asiju b kano da past ta thamba aduga sigi main verb su past ta thamba ya de ko aduna maram moraga hambagi auxiliary verb se asina past ta thambani aduga main verb se asina ke dore b1 ta thambani haidi present ta thambani ko si ka bono hayeng soibani ko plus interrogation mark ama hapna wali ko di question mark ama hapna interrogative sentence na question mark se ka bo ya de yare adu tare ham bari idai se kaino subject la ni subject ta kaino I natra do did I ra ni did I eat haira ne ba duga interrogation mark hapane did we eat haira ne ha did eat sumai haira ne kan ko mathang da to da did you eat haira ne did you eat haira ne interrogation mark hapane question mark hapane degi did you eat sama na sai do si question mark hapa ka oba ya de ko degi 3 da si da jo hong belai ko he da haira he da di kanum hapne hapa ya roi ko si hong oi bu ko did he eat haira ne ba eat question mark did they eat haira ne sa kan ko ai si loi ta ko loraga ai kano to voice la de ni voice sense narration la ka ni ko tense ana fazana khangi se to buni next yo sida kai dore mathang da past continuous natural lakte se past continuous tense natural lakte se adu si kai nium ine ba sidana was natraga where sina mamang ka re dana aduga subject hapni aduga b1 plus ing hapsala ne ba aduga question mark hapo are ko sigi nium ji illo yare ko se somne yongo yare adui mathang da muk tawdoi se kaino mathang da muk tawdoi se kaino haro si jong aham bada yongo som na kanda sab was digidi was hani ko was I kaino was I ehani ting hairane b1 plus ing ko adu where we hairagande we eating hairane ba question mark hapo ko question mark hapo yaw ka bo yadi where you ka eating hairane ba adagi mathang da si samana na where you eating hairane ba tabra mana hapte question mark se ka bo no 3 da he da di kaino was hairabam le ne ba wa I ga he ga da kadore was hapa ne ko eating hairane itai di where hapa de I ga he ga dang nati ko third person singular number adai kan wo ju orjai ko mi maming or su ka ya tomba was hai ga ne ba tomba where hai be roi ba ko adu matam da where they eating hairane ba se to are ko sa adagi mathang da past perfect haibam letro perfect tense da mu kai haira dege da niyom do kai arni sadana mu kai niyom indai ba hairo wa sidu kai no head hairo dro head na mamang ka da ba kang ko head hairani head plus subject plus kind of b3 plus question mark ko question mark ha ko do yare ko se adu tara ga di head sin mamang ka da natro subject si mamang da ham bi ro se somdi ira se chalaro head hairaga head I la ani ka I can itan haira ane bsida aduga question mark hapo adu mathang da head we ka hala itan haira ane sindu sidu question mark hapo legin mathang da head you ka dare itan haira ane bsida samana na question mark hapo head you ka itan haira ane ba sidu question mark hapo itan haira ka question mark hapo ko mathang da third da sidi hongro ko kano hi da de hong ni legi na present ga kan ko future past to hong de ko had he itan haira ne adagi mathang da had haira ga ko had haira je had they haira ga itan haira ne ne question ma hapom sibuk di yan ta ribra adagi aroi ba past ki ko जी का past indefinite ले रहे अभी past continuous ले रहे past perfect ले रहे और वो बच्चे का जो बा past हेरो past perfect continuous हाँ continuous tense ने बा सीधे कई subject कई इनके दगे है मतलब दन्या हाँ मतलब subject head इरो से माने head plus subject इरानी plus been हापनी को plus v1 plus ing hapsalo aduga interrogation mark question mark hapedana aduga sibudi yan taribra je ma ahamada idai se kaino yang se ahamada head hairani ko head I ko head I ke dorani haro head I been eating hairane aduga question mark hapo okay aduga mathang dana had we been keda eating hairane sma sisu mai sem de yarba adui mathang da to de ja you da ji kaino you da ja manare had you been eating hairane sida yarba si adagi mathang da had keda you been kehani eating hairane sma yarba sibogdi yan tai ko adagi mathang da third da had he kana been eating hairane yare ko sida mathang da had they been eating hairane hangi ko sibog tang tau je ngasi gi hangi ko sida khangdaba yauragadi hairo obo ko adu nangsi mamangi kano jo khangde haragadi mamangi video yengo yanda bra adu gi yengo adu kana khangdragadi aigona hairo adu ga sigi niyom ji inda ba yaroi ko khangda ba yaroi ba khangdragadi hairo ro kha aina ta adaine ba ngasi bong ngasi sibok tawdine khangi ko